to this assignment tutorial 2.07 exit ticket on algebraic proof. Which property justifies this statement? If x equals -6, then x plus 6 equals 0. Notice that -6 plus 6 equals 0. Therefore, we have used addition property of equality. Which property justifies this statement? If 12 equals x plus 5, then x plus 5 equals 12. Notice, if I were to flip either one of these, x plus 5, x plus 5, 12, 12, we say this is reflective property of equality. Drag a statement or reason to each box to complete this proof. In your exit ticket, you will be dragging statements or reasons to complete. Here I will be typing. If 3x minus 4 equals 14, then x equals 6. 3x minus 4 equals 14. Notice they've already done the given for us. Our next statement adds 4 to both sides. In order to add 4 to both sides, we would use additive property of equality. The next thing that we need to do after adding 4 to each side gives us 3x is equal to 18. That's our statement right here. So we're going to go ahead and put 3x is equal to 18. We simplified. Now, 3x divided by 3 equals 18 divided by 3. Oh, we divided both sides by 3 here. That is division property of equality. Then we find that x equals 6, just as they told us. Never, 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 never put proof right here. We don't want proof in a proof statement, so instead you're going to say, I simplified to get that information. Because I went ahead and did the math, right? We call that simplifying. Drag a statement of reason to each box to complete this proof. If -6 times x minus 4 equals 42, then x equals -3. Here we're going to put what was given to us. This is what was given. Next, they're going to do it a little bit different in this proof than we have in the past. They're going to take this -6 right here, and they're going to divide it from both sides. You can definitely do that. There is no wrong way in math to divide or multiply. That means that they just did that instead of distributing. So we're going to use this information in our statement, and we're going to call this division property of equality. If this was open-ended and you distributed here, you would have gotten this correct as well. There's not a distribution option in here, so in your exit ticket, you will want to use division. Next, we're going to go ahead and get x minus 4 equals -7. We're going to add 4 to both sides, and that is addition property of equality. If you have any questions about this, pause and re-watch it. Drag a statement or reason to each box to complete this proof. If 3x minus 4 equals x plus 4, then x equals 8. Notice the very first part of our statement was given. The next part of our statement, what did you do? That's what we want to look at. To go from here to here, what did you do? Now notice in this, they distributed. Remember last time they divided, but here they distributed. Again, like I said, either way is correct. It's just a matter of which one the textbook told you to do. Now, after you've distributed, you see that you get, let's put both of these in here so that we can follow along with it. There we go. Now you've got your next step right here. Notice that we added 12 to both sides. Remember, when you add A plus C and B plus C, you get the same. So that's additive property of equality. Then we're going to simplify, which is going to give us 3x is equal to x plus 16. We're going to put that in our statement. Now, we are able to subtract x from both sides. That is subtraction property of equality. We're going to simplify that again to get 2x equals 16. We're going to put that in our statement. Which the next thing that we will do is divide both sides by 2 to prove that x equals 8 by simplifying. If you have any questions about this assignment, please reach out via text or email.